Hello guys, good morning. This is another day in my life. So we recently went to Ocean Park in Manila or Manila Ocean Park. And as you can see, katabi lang niya yung H2O Hotel. Sister company sila guys. So I went here with my mother and my niece, si Audrey. This is actually my pre-birthday celebration for her. Birthday niya upcoming July 11. So, first event, we went to watch the dolphin and the bird show. It was held in this place. Katabi lang nito guys yung Ocean Park pool area. I think this is a new attraction for Manila Ocean Park. I was about to also get a reservation there kaso naisip ko wag na lang. Because we only have, you can do all the things at in like a day or so. This Manila Ocean Park actually has 8 attractions, so this is the first one. I'm not sure if nag-enjoy kayo, but for me, it's quite liberating. Nakakatuwa naman to think that there are birds that are actually housed here. And also, on this event, I learned na yung Manila Ocean Park, nagre-rescue sila ng mga birds na yung mga wala ng tirahan. Ayun. Parang it's like a project of them. Ayan. So, ayan. All types of birds flying by. This is just like a 30-minute show. And then, meron ding dolphin show here. So, totality is 30 minutes. Ma-amaze ka na lang guys kasi parang isipin mo paano kaya naturuan to. But of course, these people naman na nagtuturo sa mga animals na to are all professionals. So, we take it from them as in magaling sila. And then after this, we went to Oceanarium. From the word itself, malamang there are lots of ocean things here like fish, whatever, anything na makikita nyo sa ocean. I read at a certain part sa Oceanarium na yung mga bagay-bagay dito was galing from Palawan, something. So, ayun. Parang inalaw nung Palawan government na mag-ano sila dito. So, syempre, meron silang transaction. And, ayun. And then here naman, it's a totally different kind of fish. Pero isda pa din. Parang all types of fishes in their different colors. You'll be able to see those here. Nakakatuwa, meron yung kuya sabi, pwede na daw pang pangat. Ayan. And this one, ayan, this is actually one of my fave. Sobrang cute, diba? Parang hindi isda. And you may think na parang butete. I don't know. Hindi naman siya butete, guys. Fish na siya actually. ayan, sa lood-lood lang kami dyan. And then ito yung mga malalaking fish. It's getting scarier kasi palaki ng palaki yung mga isda. So that's Aubrey, our birthday celebrant. And this is also my mom. And ito naman, yung sa mga penguins, actually you may be thinking na it's open to all, but no. You have to pay like 700 pesos for you to get in there. And ayun, sabi ko nga sa nanay ko, sige, manood ka kung paano lumipad ang 700 in 1 to 2 minutes. So in short guys, pumila kami dyan. And then in like 1 to 2 minutes, nagstay kami dun sa loob with the penguins. Nagkaroon kami ng picture na worth 700 pesos. So we got to feed the penguins. Binigyan kami ng 2 isda. Pero syempre, knowing myself, hindi ako hahawak sa isdang yan. So it's just mom and Aubrey. Si Aubrey naman na ihagis niya yung isda niya sa gula. Ayun. So it's a pretty good experience naman for them. Nag-enjoy naman sila, so that's totally fine. And then we went up here sa Christmas Villa. I felt like I totally missed Christmas since hindi ako nag-Christmas sa PH. So it's nice. Santa Claus, char. So, ayan. Ayan. So, nakakamiss lang. And it's like less than 6 months. Christmas na naman, diba? Ito yung labas niya. So, kita yung Manila Bay. Syempre, it's just nearby. We're in Manila, guys. FYI. Diba? And, yeah, that's another bar. Maganda lang yan sa gabi, definitely. Sobrang init din pala at this point. It's a good thing hindi ako masyadong nainitan. And nabugnot. So, this is the crowd. So, this is a family day for all CNX peeps with their families. So, yung iba guys, together with the employees, kasama nila yung buong ang kanila, char. So, ito, siguro naman, magigess nyo kung ano to. This is a snake, malamang. So, mga gumagapang yung nandyan guys. Gumagapang like, Scary Crawlies, that's the title. So, ayoko na sanang pumasok kasi ayoko makita ng ahas. But, you know, kailangan ko samahan si Mom and si Bree. I don't like snakes, you know, literally and figuratively. So, yan, welcome to the world of creepy crawlies. So, we're gonna start up with the pagong. Ayan. And then, ito na yung mga iguana or house lizards or gecko or whatever you call it. Mga house lizards are actually called gecko by Americans. Kaya nakikigecko ako. Gecko ang tawag ko sa mga butiking bahay. Ayan, that's whatever. Ayun o, yellow. And, meron dyan na parang ginagaya niya yung surroundings niya. So, hindi mo siya makikita. Diba? But, the next one, ito, ayan, yung may mahabang buntot. Ito naman, nag-iiba yung color niya. And that one. And ito yung owl, yung sobrang sungit. Alam niya kasi na pinipicturan siya, kaya, nagsaside view lang siya. And then after dyan, we head off to Super Toy Collection. So, wala namang masyado dyan, guys. Mga toy items lang. Okay, like a Superman. Mga ganyan. And then, meron din dyan yung malaking jeep. And then, yung photo booth. telephone booth, whatever. Ito, meron kaming mga nabili dito, mga small items, mga pasalubong kay, um, I think meron si Tam Tam, and then meron din si Omar binili for herself. It's like, kasi paborito niya yan eh. And then after that, we head off dun sa Jellies. So parang pinapakita yung live stage ng Jelly. Not that I'm interested, pero kasi diba, pag na ano ka niyan, na-stain ka niyan, ewan ko na lang sa'yo. Ayan. And then the best part is the real dagat. Siyempre, hindi ka naman tatalon dyan dahil hindi naman yan swimmable. That's Manila Bay. You know what it is. And then, almost end of day, so we're going to get some ice cream. Hindi yan libre ha. And then, ito, uwian na guys. Siyempre, we're just waiting for our Grab car. And we're heading back to our hometown. So, it's a pretty not stressful but tiring day kasi lakad ng lakad. But overall, it's a good experience revisiting Manila Ocean Park. Not a revisit, it's my first time actually, but revisiting Manila. Nakakamiss din kasi. And it's a good thing that our company offers this kind of fam day na libre naman, so it's totally fine. And thank you for watching. By the way, bye!